Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Thursday, May the 22nd. And as we do every Thursday, let's do the swing trade reviews. Got some pretty exciting ones in play right now. And let's start off with AEBA, which we gave when it broke out of the coil. It just ripped. After a 3-day pullback, it spiked again today. Up 230 or 16%, 3.5 million traded. A good pickup of volume. And good volume for that stock. It's a thinly traded stock. It could now run into the low 20s. We'll see. ARQQ, unfortunately, had a tough day today. It was breaking out, looking really good. Strong volume traded, all of a sudden got hit. I don't remember the reason, but it certainly bounced back nicely. After getting spiked down to 18, it closed at 25.50. I don't know if that's correct. Let me look at this again. Yeah, there was a spike down there and a great recovery. And then the rest of the day spent coiling, which is fine with me. If you're in ARQQ, today is not as negative a day as you might think. At this point, there's resistance up here at yesterday's high at around 30.5, 31. Your next target is 36. ASPI, another swing trade that broke out, pulled back, held the trend line, and then spiked right back up again. 2 days ago, the pullback got you down to under 6. Today, over 9. And if close of 875, up 99 cents or almost 13%, puts it at the highest close since it's up in this range here. So if we do get through here, we're looking at 12, 14, 15, etc. Great looking chart. The long-term pattern. That beauty? I can see 20 in the next few weeks. ASTS. When it broke out and pulled back, it broke out again and backed off resistance and backed off yet again in a falling wedge. It's holding around the trend line. I don't think the stop is too much below where it is. We got down to 23.70. I think the stop's around 20, I have to look at it again, but I think it's about 22. So let's see if it holds and snaps back. Right now, not looking as good as some of the others. Look at CoreWeave. How I was saying was that one. Finally got a high volume reversal today after I told you yesterday to sell it when it moved up to 109. Today extended another 10 points before imploding 18 on a reversal day, the biggest volume ever for the stock, trading 65 million shares on a high volume reversal day after a move from 38 and change to 120 in just 4 or 5 weeks. So obviously a great trade for us. I think we got in the literally in the 40s and saw the stock triple. So good for you guys, and I'm glad that you're getting out somewhere up in this range. GRRR, yet another stock that I like. Look, this one had a big move up and then a big move down, and it's one of those quantum stocks that ended up basing out. It hasn't broken out like the others yet, but today it popped from 1535 to 1819, finished at 1777, up 230 or around 15% on 2 million. Not a lot of volume, but if it gets going through this resistance level, you may test 20 and get into the low to mid 20s. GSIT. We gave it to you around that 3 range, 295. I think it got up to 395 and then backed off. It's coiling in here. If you can hold it around here, I'll be fine with it. You can stop under 2 3/4. IDN, another stock that spiked, followed through and backed off. At this point, it needs to hold 3 3/4, retest 4 3/4, and go to 5 3/4. One of my favorite stock in the nuclear energy group is OKLO. Coming out of a basing pattern, it popped and platformed and then exploded today from 35 to 47 plus, finished at 47, up 10, 19 or 28%. Mine was a hefty 22 million, and it looks like we might extend into the mid 50s. QBTS, another quantum stock, maybe the best one of all, broke through a triple top a couple days ago and just keeps going. Today, an engulfing reversal bar to the upside. A move from 1478 to 1967, 5 points. Finishing 1839, up 403, 26%. $250 million share traded today, 254 million. An engulfing reversal day tells me it's going to get a follow through tomorrow. You'll probably see 2021. QBT, another quantum stock breaking out of the base and forming a flag. Watch this carefully because if QBT takes out 13, it'll probably be 17, 18, 20. Serve Robotics broke out of its base a few days ago. We put a swing back on it. Today it jumped to tag 1197, finished 1155, up 195 or 20%. 17.5 million traded. It's at resistance. The next target will be a test of 15. SoFi, inverse head and shoulders, backed off the neckline, is right on the shoulder line. Key support here, it may have reversed. Your target is going to be 15 and 17. GRRR popped up to resistance and it's been flagging for 4 days. It has enough energy, but after 5 waves up, I'm not quite sure yet. The extension target, this one is going to be 13.5, 14, and then 16. Tesla's ETF TSLL broke out of the flag after moving averages crossed over. It's had a nice run. It's flagging again in here. Boy, Tesla certainly turned the corner, didn't it? If Tesla gets above 18, TSLL does. You probably see 21. VST, another nuclear energy stock. Fabulous chart. Big reversal day back in April the 7th, taking it from 90 to 109. Here it is, 160. And it might be 175.80 on your next target. And finally, XPEV, the Chinese automotive stock, with a spectacular day yesterday. A huge volume and breakaway day of 28.7 million. Today, gapped back down and finished down 161 or 7%. Not what I want to see after a breakout in terms of a follow through. Keep your eyes on this one. It stops under 19. That's it for me for tonight. A view of the TechTrader.com swings that are still active, and have a great evening, everybody.